Merry Christmas, everybody. I just wanted to get on here and wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope that you are enjoying whatever you have out there with you, be it your pets, your family, your children. I hope you have a nice dinner, watch movies, just whatever brings you joy today. I hope you enjoy it to the fullest. We have beautiful weather. It's a balmy 70 something degrees, so that's kind of weird, but the dogs are happy. They got their stockings, dinner's spinning around, and I just wanted to check in and wish you all the best day, and yeah, enjoy it. It's been a long 2 years, so I will see you all soon. We got videos coming, canning, candy, all sorts of things, some finger foods for New Year's Eve. So take care, be well, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Merry Christmas.